I'm Linda. Today I'd like to introduce a breast pump that is very suitable for new mothers. As a very easy-to-use breast pump, it is made of materials that meet safety standards, so new mothers can use it with confidence. In addition, its method of use is also very simple and convenient. Now, I will demonstrate it to you. When we use it, we only need to put the suction cup close to the breast and use the vacuum principle to suck your breast. Next, we gently pull to suck out milk from our own mammary glands. The milk flows into the bottle through the duct and is stored. These breast milk can be refrigerated and stored so that we can easily adjust the time to breastfeed our baby. I think this breast pump has good suction and does not hurt the breasts. And it is not laborious to press the handle. The hands will not feel sore after long-term use. In addition, it is easy to assemble and easy to disassemble and clean. I have used it many times, and this breast pump is really suitable for new mothers. Well,